Welcome back to the garage. I'm going to go ahead and clean out the tub on the Jeep today. That's kind of jumping the gun in a way, because if it doesn't run, that's time wasted. But at the same time, if it does start up and run good, I'll be that much ahead whenever it comes to doing other things to it. Now, you always want to use a respirator, gloves, clean up all the trash, because Lord knows what's in the back of this thing. I got you set up on the tripod. We'll get to it. Got all the metal and junk taken out of the tub. Didn't expect to find river rock in this thing. Probably been flooded numerous times. Probably crossed the river. But let's move on to the front. Next plan of attack is to get these seats and the seat frame out. I originally was going to use the seat frame that they had, but whenever I got this, I never paid much attention to it. It's a piece of unistrut that goes from this side over to that side, and it is only held on with a little bolt right there, a little bolt on the other side. You can see the back side of this seat in this corner is not even bolted down, and they've got some extensions made here for the right hand side, or the inside I should say, of the seats. So I'm just going to go ahead and take them out rather than trying to fool with getting sockets or anything out. I got the old electric crescent wrench we're going to get to work and take this seat frame out of there. As you can see, the seats are out. That floorboard's in pretty rough shape. The tub in the back, I dug around that gravel a little bit and it doesn't look really that bad. But the next thing I'm going to take out of here is this under the seat fuel tank. And instead of cutting this strap, I'm just going to go ahead and cut this bolt, get the tank out of here. The bottom of it's rusted out, and I'll probably put some kind of a fuel cell in the back of this thing and get it out from under the seat. That way I can mount the seat maybe a little bit lower if I need to. Fuel tank is out of the way. Floorboard on this side actually looks really good. I got that inspection cover off, it just popped right off, and so did that piece of aluminum that they had covering that passenger side floorboard. I got the tub all cleaned out, as clean as it's going to get for a while. You can see the back isn't really that bad a shape. It's a little bit soft, but it's definitely not completely gone. driver's side floorboard isn't too bad. Up in the corner on the left, you can see there's a hole that'll need addressed. Passenger side will probably need the most work, but as you can see with just the way it is, that won't require that many bends or anything like that. I mean, even your most novice welder can get in there with some flat steel and replace that floor and get it looking good. And I know I can do that. I'm not any kind of special fabricator extraordinaire like a guy like Jonathan W. or something, but I think we can get this floor looking pretty good. But next step will be getting this thing running. I hope everybody out there watching is having a great Thanksgiving. I haven't been able to make my usual videos working in the garage. I've got this TD6 International high lift sitting in here, so I don't really have the room to work on anything else at the moment. I may do a little bit of content on this, I'm not sure yet. But if you're also looking for some other great content since you're off work on this Thanksgiving, go ahead and check out my buddies at Central Oregon Shenanigans in the Fox Shop. Now, Central Oregon Shenanigans, James from there, just picked up a 429 to assemble, and he's going to put it in his Ford Bronco, which will be very awesome to see that. And John Fox from the Fox Shop has got his beautiful green and white Ford pickup inside his garage. Had a little issue with the rust spot develop on the bottom of his driver's side fender, so he's going to repair that, and he's going to repaint it and put Raptor liner back over it, so that'll be awesome to watch that as well. But thank you very much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if this is the kind of content that you're into. And just a friendly reminder that it doesn't matter if you're working on your project in a garage or in your driveway. What matters is that you go out there, you do the job yourself, and you learn more about your project, whatever that project may be. My name is Zane, and I'll catch you next time.